Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to revise you chapter 6. The name of the topic is force. What is force? Force is a push or pull. Moving an object with force away from us is called push, and moving an object towards oneself is called pull. So when we ride bicycle or kick a ball, we are using forces to make things move. So basically force when we push any object we exert some kinds of energy. So this kind of energy is known as force. When we push any object or pull any object, so this is what? So this is force. Okay. With the help of force we can move things, we can change the shape of things, make moving things to stop, change their direction. As you see in this picture, for example, bicycle with the help of force we can move bicycle, and with the help of force we can change the shape of the shape change, and with the help of force we can make moving things to stop. As you see in this picture, he wants to stop that ball with the help of force, and with the help of force we can change the direction. As you see in this picture, with the help of force he is changing the direction of a ball, okay, by kicking. So let's learn activity 6.1. Try applying forces on following object. Discuss whether each object move, change shape, stop and change their direction after you apply force on it. For example, with the help of force, play dough, pressing down with fingers, outcome is changes their shape. The play dough will deform and change its shape in response to the applied force. It will flatten and spread out. Okay. After that, the next is spring, the force stretching or compressing. Outcome is changes shape temporarily. The spring will elongate and compress when the force is applied. However, when the force is removed, it will return up to its original shape. Okay. Next is rubber band. Rubber band is the stretching. The outcome of rubber band is that changing their shape temporarily. Similarly to the spring, rubber band will stretch when force is applied, and when the force is removed, it will snap back to its original shape. Next is chair. So chair is a pushing or pulling. The force we exert in chair is pushing or pulling. Okay. With the help of this force, the outcome is that we can move the object. If force is sufficient to overcome the chair's friction with the floor, it will move in the direction of the applied force. Okay. The next one is toy car. Toy car, with the help of pushing or pulling, we can move the toy car. So our next topic is motion. Motion is a movement in any direction. So when we change the position of any object from one place to another, so we can move things, and it need to be pushed or pulled. Once displaced, it will keep moving without any more force unless another force must stop it. A body in motion can move in straight line or in a circle line or in a random pattern or rotate on its axis. Can you think of one example of each type of motion? So first of all, motion. As you know, in force we can push or pull. With the help of force, when we push or pull any object, so we can move object. Okay, we can make object to make move. Okay, so now that is motion. The science query: you are sitting in a fast moving vehicle. The trees far away seems to be moving towards you. The trees near the road seem to be running away from you. Why do you think it is so? Are the trees in motion? Answer of this question is that no, we are in motion. So we are in motion, so that's why we seems that trees are motion. But actually we are in motion. Trees are not in motion. Everything in the world, everything in the world in motion is in motion. even when you stand still. There is because the earth is constantly revolving around around the sun. So it's mean ke the earth is always in motion. Okay, when we stand in one position and we think that we are not in motion, but actually we are in motion because the earth revolves around the sun. So that's the case, we are in motion. So motion simply changes our position from one place to another. When an object changes from one place to another, when anything changes its position, just because of motion. Okay, it's create motion, it is in motion. With the help of force we can move things, and when we move things it causes motion.